In my almost 2 years being online on YouTube talking about Amazon FBA, I have mentored hundreds of people, and I was even doing it for free up to I think 1 year and a half ago. And you can actually go on my YouTube channel. I was doing weekly calls every single Friday on Discord, right, with members of my community. And towards the end, I started going live on YouTube at the same time. You can literally go back. I think it's the last two that I did before I traveled last year. Started traveling last year. But you can literally go back and see who I was speaking to, who was coming to these calls, and see if what I'm saying is bullshit or not, right? But the reason why I'm telling you all this, and you may have noticed by the name of this video, by the title of this video, is that I know what makes a seven-figure seller, what traits you need to become a seven-figure seller, to become a six-figure seller, because I'm going to tell you the truth, right? As I said, I mentored a lot of people. A lot of them actually gave up. Even if they had mentorship for free, a lot of these people actually gave up, all right? But there's a select few that became six-figure sellers in just 1 year and a half. And there's an even smaller number of them. It's probably one or two sellers, okay, in 1 year and a half that became seven-figure sellers, right? So I've seen everything. I've seen a ton of people. And I think that I probably mentored way more people than the guys that are literally doing it, that the big names on YouTube, because I've did it for free for a long time, and so I have a bigger sample size. And so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to tell you what's the difference, what you absolutely need to do to become a seven-figure seller, the way you need to think about it. And it's more going to be about mindset and not really about a clear roadmap on how to do it, because it's simple. At the end of the day, if you want to sell $1 million a year on Amazon, you need to spend $500,000 in revenue. Let me go back. If you want to make $1 million a year on Amazon, you need to spend $500,000 in inventory. It's as simple as that. But what plays more into it is actually the mindset. And if you do not have the right mindset, you are probably going to give up. Because I'm telling you, the people that, especially when I was doing it for free, everybody got the exact same information, the exact same level of attention from myself. A select few of them became seven-figure sellers. A big part of them actually gave up, right? And this is what we are going to look at in today's video. If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube, 100% for free. I also offer coaching, okay? As I said, I used to do it for free. Not anymore because I had too many people, all right? And of course, if I want to grow the channel, of course, I need to make some money, right? So you can go to FBA and I'm sorry, it's not the right one. It's FBA Scaling. I actually forget my own domain name. You go to FBAscaling.com, right? And you can apply for my coaching program. No, it's a paid program. I used to do it for free. No, it's paid. All right. So if you wanted it for free, you had to up on the train way earlier, right? But yeah, if you want my help to scale your business way faster than if you were to do it by yourself, apply for the mentorship. Let's talk and let's see if you are a fit, right? So, as I said, I've seen a ton of sellers. A few of them became seven-figure sellers. And the number one thing that makes somebody successful in this space, and it is going to be true with every single space, the number one thing that makes sellers successful is the will to keep going whatever happens. Because I'm telling you, and I'm telling you right now, it's not going to be easy. We see it with Section 3s, we see it with a lot of stuff. You just need to keep going. That's the only thing. Whatever happens, you need to work on this thing every single day. And there was a lot of people that were talking a lot when I was doing the live calls. And to be honest, it's the same thing even with paid mentorship. There's a lot of people that say, oh yeah, I'm going to join your mentorship. Please let me join your mentorship because I'm going to be your next success stories. Usually these people are the ones that give up really, really fast when they realize how much work you actually need to reach your goals, right? It's not easy. You just need to keep working on this thing every single day and keep iterating, because you're going to fail, right? You're going to fail. When I say you're going to fail, I'm not saying you're going to go bankrupt before you actually succeed, but you're going to try something and it's not going to work. Let's just take storefront stalking, for example. You're going to try storefront stalking, you're going to fail because you're not going to find shit, right? So you're gonna need to redo the same thing the next day, but iterate on your process to figure out what is actually not working. Of course, it's a little bit hard to do when you have nobody to actually review what you do, but it's still a little bit hard for you to do it, even if you have a mentor, because I cannot do stuff for you, okay? I can teach you, I can look at what you're doing, but at the end of the day, if you're not doing the work and if you're not iterating on your process and like talking with me on your process and all that stuff, there's not a lot of things that I can do for you, right? The people that are successful are the people that were showing up every single week, that were coming every single day, that are, and there's a lot of people that I still talk with up to this day. There's a lot of people that have way higher sales now that I had at that point and that I have right now, right? But the people that are successful are the people that are always trying to stay in touch with people in the community, with people that are actually willing to teach them and that keep iterating on what they are doing and that are doing it every single day. Because yes, okay, like you need to understand this thing is not a sprint, it is a marathon. And I know it's corny to say that. I hate it. I don't even like Nipsey Hussle and all that bullshit. Like I hate it. Not that I hate it. I don't really like it. I'm sorry for you guys if you're a fan of this shit, but like I find this saying corny, but it is true in some ways, right? Some people push it way too far, but it's true in some ways. It's just that it's not about working 12 hours a day, right? And you are going to need to work a lot. But it's about working every single day. If you can work for 12 hours every single day, great. But it's not about doing sprints, working one day a week, every single Saturday because you have time, and then just give up on it for the rest of the week. Because you are going to need to iterate on your process. There's no other thing that you can do. You're going to need to work on this every single day. That's the only thing. You need to work on it every single day. Try to improve a tiny bit every single day. But you are still going to need to work a lot every single day. And the truth is, if you can work 3 hours a day, 7 days a week, which makes 21 hours, it's actually better than if you work 10 hours, like let's say 12 hours. 12 hours on Friday and on Saturday every single week is going to be more hours, but it's not going to be as good because, as I said, you need to work, realize if you failed or if you succeed, and then improve on it the next day and reflect on that. And this is the reflecting part that is actually important. You need to look at your process, look at what you're doing, reflect on it, see if it's working, if it's not working. If it's not working, try to figure out why it's not working. And this is what is going to make you successful. This is the only thing that is going to make you successful. It's not about showing up for 2 weeks, trying things, telling everybody that you are motivated, and then giving up on things. I'm telling you, every single person that actually did that I've seen doing that, actually gave up on that thing. Right, and I'm telling you right now, everybody that I've seen doing that gave up on this thing. This is not the way to do it. Don't go and be excited and share your goals with everybody. That's not the point. Just show up every single day, ask questions, figure out what's not working, fix the things that are not working, and keep going and do it every single day. It's going to be hard at times. That's fine. Just keep going. What else are you going to do? You either keep going or you give up, but you need to show up every single day. Just show up every single day. You will be fine. It's how you become successful with this business. It's the difference in between people that now run 7-figure business and people that give up, and even people that run 6-figure business. Because what I've seen, there's some people that start getting some level of success with Amazon FBA, with online arbitrage, and then they try to move, they try to do some other stuff that is not related. It's not the point. All right, it's not the point. If you do other stuff, do it to fuel your main thing. But because I see a ton of people that get some success with Amazon FBA, then get into affiliate marketing, get into this, get into that. No, just show up every single day. That's it. Just show up every single day. Do the same thing over and over again. Commit to it for 3 years, and yes, you might have some success after the first year. Okay, you might reach 7-figure after 1 year, 1 year and a half. I'm not saying otherwise, but you just need to show up every single day, okay? And commit to it for the long term. Do not commit to it for just 6 months, or just, some people, it's even worse for some people. Just commit to it for 1 month and then give up. Just commit to it for the long term. Stuff is going to be hard. You're going to want to give up. Just do not give up. Keep going. You will be fine. That's how you're going to become a 7-figure seller. And this is the difference between 7-figure sellers and 6-figure sellers. 6-figure sellers look all around the place and cannot stick with one thing. Just stick with one thing. Stick with it. And you can actually look at other things, but stick with your main thing. Like for example, yes, I'm on YouTube business. I'm doing all this stuff, but my priority is always Amazon FBA, and I'm still working every single day, all right, on my Amazon business. If I'm doing other things, I'm doing a lot of other things, my priority will always remain my Amazon business, right? Every other thing that I do on the side is, as I said, just on the side, right? So hopefully this video was helpful. Leave a like, leave a comment, share this video with your friend. Share this video with a friend that is doing way too many things, that is not actually focused on his Amazon business. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new video, because I release videos daily. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.